Stop touching me. Stop.
You're done. Go to jail. You are under arrest. Glove on.
2 on April 12th, 2023. Police pulled over a woman after running her plate and finding out it was suspended.
Stay in the car.
What are you putting me up for?
It shows you're suspended.
I'm not suspended. I just sent out a check. I'm not.
Okay, let me see your driver's license. Let me see your driver's license.
It's nothing to see, bro. It's nothing to see.
Let me see your driver's license.
I'm gonna call my case manager because I just sent out that check.
Your driver's license and proof of insurance. Do you have your driver's license and proof of insurance?
Yes, I do, but you just pulled me over.
May I see it?
What's your reason for pulling me over?
You failed the signal go around the truck and
no,
it shows you're
suspended.
suspended.
No, I didn't. You just lied. Watch out.
No,
what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm closing my door.
I'm conducting a traffic stop.
Okay, but you didn't know, bro. Watch out. Let me close my door.
No, you're not closing.
Let me close my door. You're doing.
Do you have your driver's license, yes or no?
What do you need my driver's license for?
I'm conducting a traffic stop. Well, that's why. I need to identify who you are. What's your name then? Since you don't have your driver's license.
Who told you I didn't have my driver's license? You just passed.
You haven't produced it.
I don't have to produce it with anything.
Yes,
at the
you
moment.
do.
No, I don't. I put them over to get gas. Out of my face.
This is a traffic stop.
I don't care what it is. I don't care. I don't
Identify
care.
yourself to me. Understand that?
I don't care. I don't.
If you don't identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you.
You're not arresting anything. What the f***? Like,
sure about that.
What did you just do? What did you just do? Is this car not in my name? Is it?
I have no idea who you are.
Okay, well, I'm trying to get in contact with who I need to get in contact with because I have just sent out some papers, so, yeah.
Put the phone away.
What are you telling me to put the phone away for? And I'm telling you I'm calling my case
I don't care who you're calling.
No, because
I need to identify you. Put the phone away. Do you have ID or not?
Yes, I do.
I need to see your ID.
Okay, well,
if you don't show me your ID, I will arrest you.
Well, can you shut my door?
No.
I'm about to keep calling you until I get a hold of somebody because they just sent the check out for me. There's nothing for me to tell you. I can give you a piece of paper to tell you that they sent the check out, but there's nothing else that I can get you.
Okay, well, I need to see your ID. Is that what you're getting, your ID?
No.
Huh? Unless you're getting your ID, quit reaching around the car. Last chance. Come over here.
I'm telling you, I'm providing you with my information. That's it. Like,
do you have your ID or not?
Yes, I do, but get the back. Like, you're like, I'm here for my life. I'm a black woman. You're always shooters. I'm trying to call my
quit
fucking
reaching around the car.
Did you just not tell me to provide you with my ID? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, right?
Where's it at?
Yes or no?
Where is
Yes or no? Exactly. I'm looking for my You're tripping.
Okay, I don't want you looking around the car. Why don't you just give me your info?
Indian. Go ahead. Call away.
Put your phone away.
I'm not putting my phone away because I'm calling my case manager. I'm not putting anything away. Not going to tell me I can't call and make a phone call.
What's your name? India?
Indian. Like I just said, Indian. I try to provide you with the paper. You act like you...
Stop reaching around.
Step out of the car.
I'm looking for my ID. The just told me.
Now I'm ordering you out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out.
All right, watch out.
Get out of the car.
All right, get out. Watch out. Watch out. So I can lock the door and get out and put my keys in the car.
Get out of the car.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you grabbing me? You see this? Why are you grabbing me? Bro, I'm trying to call my case manager. Why are you grabbing me? Bro, watch out. Why are you grabbing me? I'm trying to call my case manager.
I don't know what's in that car, and I don't want you to reach around.
There's nothing in this car, bro. I'm homeless. What are y'all doing?
Over here.
Bro, this annoying, bro. What are you you still touching me and I'm not touching you,
to the back of the car.
Watch out. I'm trying to. Watch out. Please stop touching me, bro. Please stop grabbing me up. This shit is insane. Watch out, bro. I'm trying to call my...
Stay right here. Where are you going? Stand right here.
Stop touching me, bro. I'm trying to call my case manager. Move.
Just put her in here.
Like, I'm trying to call my case manager. This is going around. Put your hands down. This shit is blowing the out of me, bro.
You can't seem to cooperate.
Call the YWCA immediately. I'm not playing with y'all. Call the YWCA. I literally have all my paperwork. Watch out. No,
why can't you just cooperate? This ain't that hard. Stand right here.
I'm sure you've never been homeless before. Don't keep touching me, bro. Don't keep touching me, bro. This shit is annoying.
Let's try this
I already
again.
told you what my name was, bro. This shit is unnecessary.
What's your date
You can find that out, can't you? I tried to get you my information, but you didn't want to let me give you my information, so...
What's your date of birth? What is your date of birth?
Bro, I'm trying to calm down right quick. Like this, you already grabbed
I'm not your bro.
Well, I'm trying to calm down. This trying to calm down. So y'all stop grabbing me and let me like...
I've been trying for the past 10
you
minutes
have not been
to
trying
identify
to do
you.
nothing. I told you I was giving you my paper. Like, the fuck you took my phone and everything. What was
you can make this easy.
I'm trying to make a phone call to tell y'all the check has been... This shit is irritating. Go to jail for what?
What is your date of birth?
Because you act like you didn't know who the f I was when you pulled me over.
I don't know who you are.
Okay.
I have no idea who you are.
I hate ignorant rich shit. Like, this is dumb as okay.
What's your ID number?
I don't know.
What's your home address?
I don't have a home address. I'm currently residing in my car, like I just told you.
Stay right here.
Can you let me go? Could you let me go, bro?
You're not being cooperative.
I'm not touching you, though. Like, come on, I just need you to let me go. Like, I'm already in hand restraints. What more can I do? What more can you let me go, bro? Can you just let me go? Like, I'm just asking you to let me go. Okay, can you tell her to let me go? No. You've never been slipping in your car before. I'm sure you haven't, so can you just tell her, like, let me go?
You're not running the show here.
I'm not telling you I'm running the show. I'm asking you to let me go. Like, she don't have to keep holding me.
If you would just relax and take a deep breath.
I'm trying to.
You're not.
You keep touching me. Y'all keep touching me like I'm not already in handcuffs. This is annoying as This is annoying as bruh. Can y'all click that phone right there and call Shannon?
No.
Exactly, because y'all don't care. Y'all never care.
You're not allowed to make a phone call right now.
How are you going to tell me I'm not allowed to make a phone call?
Because right now you're detained in handcuffs.
Okay. This is annoying as when I just told y'all that I have a check that already got sent out. And I hate white officers, bro. White people, period, bro. This is annoying. Like, it don't take 6 officers for 1 black woman.
Someone's making a scene. Sometimes
I didn't make no scene. You don't even know what you're talking about. Well, may I use the restroom or something? Like, maybe I could just pull my pee right here. Okay, well, I need to use the restroom and some other Could you walk into the bathroom in here?
This is going to take a couple minutes, and when you're free to leave, you can go wherever you want. You can make as many phone calls, you can use the bathroom wherever you want.
Where are your keys at?
They in the car underneath the seat.
In the car underneath the seat?
You
The door's locked.
They're not in your front pocket right there?
Bro, y'all not getting my car. I'm homeless. Y'all is not getting my car. I'm sorry.
Well, we can give you some resources for a homeless.
I have resources, bro. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all.
Unfortunately, with being suspended, we have to tow your car. Okay?
No, y'all don't. No, y'all don't. I'm homeless. What do y'all keep? No, y'all don't, bro.
You know you shouldn't be driving.
Okay, but I'm homeless. This is like no. Bro, what are y'all doing? Like,
sorry.
No.
Relax. Why are you slipping this?
Because I need y'all telling me to calm down. Y'all restraining me twice.
I can't. They're locked. I need.
Your shit is irritating as bro. Somebody help me. Please help me, bro. I'm homeless.
You're making this a lot worse than it needs to be. Stop.
Because I'm homeless, bitch. Have you been homeless before? You're not going to tell me I'm making it shit a lot worse. Get the here, bro. This shit is irritating, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Stop. Just relax.
Bro, stop putting pressure on me.
Then you need to relax.
I'm telling you, you're putting pressure on me.
You need to
Bro, I need y'all
relax.
to back up, please, bro. Like, please. Please. Like, y'all control this.
You're making this worse than it is.
Let me go, bro. Like, I have anxiety and everything, bro.
Okay.
Bro,
Do you want to sit down?
I can't breathe, bro. What's out? I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You're harassing me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Relax.
I can't breathe, bro.
Okay, relax.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Just
I can't
relax.
fucking breathe.
Just stay here. Let's go.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe, bro. Get off of me. I can't fucking breathe. Oh my God.
Why don't you come sit down so you're not standing up?
Bro, because y'all gonna keep holding me while I'm sitting down. There's nothing in here, bro. Can y'all let me go then?
No.
Can I grab my phone and y'all let me go?
Let me let you go. Yeah, you can take your phone.
Bro, what the No. Y'all did not even ask me to search my car. That's what I do.
If it's gonna get tough, we have to inventory and make sure there's nothing in it.
Bro, so can y'all let me go? Can you help me, please, sir? Can you please help me, bro? I'm homeless. I'm homeless, bro. I swear to God, I'm homeless, bro. I need so much help, bro. Please help me. Please help me, bro. Please help me, bro. Please help me. What is y'all putting me in the back of the police car, bro? I can't breathe. I can't breathe, bro. What's wrong? Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I have my keys. Y'all told me I could keep them.
No, we did not.
Yes, I did, bro. Please, bro. I swear to God, I cannot lose my car, bro. I don't have anywhere else to go. I don't have anywhere else to go, bro. I can't go anywhere else, bro.
Just sit in the car and be an adult. Let's go.
I'm trying to.
Okay, stand up.
Can I call my case manager, bro? I swear to God. Bro, I'm homeless. What part of homeless do y'all not understand, bro?
Stand up and sit down.
Oh my God, bro. This is irritating. This
seat.
Sit on the seat.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. This shit is how can y'all do this, bro? How can y'all do this? Y'all can't even let me call my case manager. This is annoying. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Watch out. Move all my clothes and everything is in there. All my clothes is in there, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Please get off of me, bro. Please.
Have a seat.
Please stop touching me.
Just relax.
Please stop. There's no relax, bro. Please stop touching me, bro.
Sit down in
Please
the
stop
car.
touching me, bro. There's nowhere I can go, bro. Stop touching
Sit down.
me, bro. I'm hyperventilating. Do you not see that? You're such a oh my god, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Y'all trying to take my only car, bro. I'm about to be walking, bro. This shit is irritating. And y'all don't bro. I can't even call my case manager. This is illegal, bro. Like, what the please, somebody help me. Bro, please, somebody help me, bro. I don't need an ambulance. This bro. I'm trying to keep my cool, bro. Bro. Oh, please let me go.
We'll let you
know where to go, bro. No nothing. Did y'all talk about center resources? This is insane, bro. Please call my case manager, bro. Can y'all pick that phone up or something? Like,
We'll let you make the call after if you just relax.
bro.
You just have to relax.
There's no relax, y'all. I just told you all my car, y'all taking it.
We're not-
I'm about to be walking.
Relax. Listen. You can get whatever you need out after they're finished. The inventory.
Irritated. I don't have nothing in there but clothes. The fuck I'm home is nothing but clothes.
India, we have to
Irritating this
we're
fuck,
done with our
bro. This irritating,
when your
bro.
papers are good to go.
You just said you was on my car, bro. The I don't have anywhere to go. Don't you get that?
Is there somewhere
Do you not get that?
Is there somewhere
No. Please don't take my car, bro. Please stop touching me, bro, because I'm not trying to spit on you, bro. And I know that's assault, bro. Watch out.
No.
Stop touching me, bro. Please stop touching me,
stay
bro.
right here.
Move. Stop touching me.
India.
Stop. Stop touching me.
You're done. Go to jail.
Stop
You
touching
are
me.
under arrest. You hear me? You're under arrest.
I don't give a Come on, mama, get the off me.
Get a spit hood in there. Get a spit hood out of that glove box.
Get the off me.
Give me that hobble.
Move up. I can't breathe, bro.
Your face. Let go.
I can't breathe.
If you stop spitting on people.
Bro, I can't breathe.
We have an ambulance here.
So send them because I can't breathe.
They're here.
Okay, so get off of me, bro. My arms is bleeding and everything.
Got it.
You gotta calm down, and your breathing's gonna get better, I promise. We're gonna help you out. You just gotta be cool. And,
Okay, bro. I'm in restraints everywhere. Like this. Please,
well, you
bro.
can't be fighting with people, alright?
Because he just lied. He just lied,
if you're
bro.
cool, we'll all be cool, alright?
Okay, I'm cool, bro.
Alright, I appreciate that. I'm the ambulance, so...
Okay, I just need you to check me out. This
All
shit
right,
is
no
annoying.
problem.
I need to make a phone call.
You're not
No
gonna get
problem.
out right now.
I'm not talking to you. Shut up.
Alright,
I'm
so
not talking to you.
Look, I'm gonna bring my
The fuck
monitor
wrong with
over
fake helping
here.
me and shit. Watch out.
I'll be
This shit is
back,
irritating
okay?
as f- I know y'all can't take me out these cuffs. I'm laying shit.
17. Stop touching your
Stop
mask.
touching me. Stop
I'm telling you one more time.
back. Get the fuck back. Pussy ass.
Spitting on us.
Get the fuck back.
How about no?
Fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Pussy ass.
Yeah, well, you're in the back of the car, huh?
Yeah, because you can't fuck with me.
All right, dear.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Is you retarded?
Stop
Do you
that.
not understand English?
I do.
Do not touch me.
Stop. Mask.
That's why I
Stop.
touched my hands on you the first time. You don't really want it. I swear to God you don't. Don't touch me again.
Yeah.
You keep doing that on the slide, I will serve both of y'all. I swear to God.
You really
I
are
swear
getting
to
crazy
God.
on the PO,
I
right?
swear to God. I don't care.
All right.
I don't
Driving under suspension, simple assault, and assault on a police officer. She is innocent until proven guilty. We featured the Lakewood Police Department on our channel before the last time we saw him. They were responding to a possible mass casualty situation